Hi friends, a warm welcome to Mai's Little Kitchen. I'm Mai and today the girls have gone to their aunt's house, so I'm missing them. So let's start. Today we are making cheese Schezwan Paneer sliders. The ingredients required are Ladi pav, which we use for making pav bhaji, or if you don't get this, you can even use burger buns. Schezwan chutney, oil, butter, salt, black pepper, grated processed cheese, finely chopped capsicum 1 tomato finely chopped, some coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 big onion finely chopped, and 200 grams of paneer. Now first let's add butter and 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the butter melts, we are going to add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. We are going to add 1 small capsicum finely chopped and 1 tomato finely chopped. Let's mix everything together and let's cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Some salt, and half spoon of pepper. Now let's mix everything together and let us cover it for 2 minutes. Now let's open it. Yes. Schezwan chutney. Around 2 tablespoons. You can increase the quantity if you want it a bit spicier. Now let's add the crumbled paneer and finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix. Yeah. Now our Schezwan. Now I have changed the pan and let's roast this. Also apply butter on the top side. Now take the filling and put it on the bread. Put a generous amount. Tastes very delicious. Now add grated cheese according to your taste. Now let's fold it. Let's press it. Turn the buns. You can give this dish to your kids when they're back from school or even in their tiffin boxes. It's an ideal Sunday breakfast for all the family members. Put some cheese on the top and a Schezwan Paneer cheese sliders are ready. Let's cut. Hope you liked our new recipe. Please like, share and subscribe, and please ring the notification so that you get all our new videos. Bye. See you next time.